Meaning of globetrotting.
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 Globetrotting. The term globetrotting refers to the act of traveling frequently and extensively throughout the world, often for pleasure or business. It suggests a sense of adventure, exploration, and a desire to experience different cultures and ways of life. Those who engage in globetrotting are often seen as worldly and well-traveled, with a broad perspective on the world and an appreciation for diversity. The practice of globetrotting can be both exhilarating and exhausting, but it can also lead to personal growth, increased knowledge, and a greater understanding of humanity and the planet we all share.